Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add free trust badges in Shopify. Don't you? Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you just need to head over and click this apps right here. And under this apps, click on this all recommended apps. Then from in there, just scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store. Now, once you're in there, you should be able to see a new tab or new window right here. So what we can do is we can just head over and click on the search bar and then search in here for Trust Budge. So let's head over and search for that. And then once you have searched for it, you should be able to see some search results as well. So in here, what we need to do is you just need to install this Trust Badges Bear. So in here, once you have click on it, you can see that it's actually free. And what you can do is you can actually just click on install right here. So once you have clicked on install, it will open another window wherein it will actually ask you to permission in order to successfully integrate this application to Shopify. So click on install, and then once you have clicked on your install button right there, we should be able to see that it will be integrated on your dashboard on your Shopify. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So this is what the dashboard of Trust Bear look like. So as you can see, it's disabled for now. So let's head over and click on enable right here. Then once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it's been enabled. So in here, it will show you on your show header settings that you can have the secure checkout and you can choose the font for that specific thing. So head over and click on this select badge. And then once you have select on the badge right here, you can select the icon that you actually support. Like for example, you support Shopee, Amex, Amazon Pay right here, or also Apple Pay right here. They have a lot of badges that you can get for the badge. So head over and click on save right here. And as you can see, this is what the bar preview will look like. So you can also change the font size right here. You can adjust it. You can actually change the font color. Like for example, let's make it red. And the badge settings look like this card, or you can also make this original or mono card right here. It depends on what you want. For me, I'll just stick with the card one, and it will look like this. You can also change the alignment. And you can also choose the badge size. So for me, I'll just choose small. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And you can also put in here an animation. So we can slide in, pop, move, fly, or swipe. So let's head over and click on this right here to play the animation. And that is what it looks like. So the bar placement, it will show on the product page right here. So display the bar in custom location, place the following code inside the template file. So you just need to copy this and then put this on the location that you want to put it. But on default, it will be produced on the product page right here. So once you have done that, as you can see, you can actually enable all of these things right here. So under this Grow Your Business, you should be able to see some more steps. And for example, this review IOs, but that is not what we're tackling right now. Instead, we're tackling about this one. So let's head over and see what it looks like on our page. So let's head over and see our online store. Click on View Your Store right here. And then this will open a preview of your store. So right now, let's head over to our products. And then under the products right here, you should be able to see the badge. But it will take some time for it to finish the loading process and rendering process. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process in your time. So that's the whole process. If you have queries with your help, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.